Hey folks, Dante from the world of Dante. It's 1:06 p.m. It is Friday. It is what, the 21st of September? Can you hear those sounds? Can you hear those birds? Those sound like average birds to you? How many times have I tried getting these guys on video and the color doesn't turn out? I tilt the screen back and color doesn't turn out. You hear them? Those are all wild parrots. Ah, little bastard. I go through this every single time when I try and get them. They're impossible. There you go, you little booger. They're impossible to see. They just blend in so well. It's just some impossible game that I try and get these guys on video. And these trees are full with them right now. This is one of their hangout spots. Hang on, there's one. Bastard, he just flew back. Yeah. So I'm at the park having a coffee and a cigarette, and then I gotta go over to somebody's and see if I can do some work for them. But I thought I'd try and get these guys on video one last time, because I'm just sitting here and they're just rubbing in my face that they're there. But they're extremely difficult to get on video. And they just blend right in. I mean, it's incredible. Some old Roman ruins there, by the way. There's more than that here in this town. Anyhow, I'm just going to end here. As usual, I don't get them on. Oh, hang on. There's one. You little bugger. Hang on. Yes. Let's see. Oh, I barely see you, you little bastard. He's moving. He's moving around. Shit, I wonder if this is turning out in video. Oh, I bet his color isn't. Every time I tilt the screen back, the color just disappears. But there is one there. Yes, he's talking right now. Yeah, come down here. YouTube, come down. It's YouTube, you're under arrest. You have the right to show your green feathers to my camera and for a video. God, they just blend right in. It's amazing. Alright, so that's it. Dante from the world of Dante signing off. Wild parrots in German.